How to know if you're restricted on Messenger. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with some clear signs that you can check to know if someone has restricted you on Messenger or not. Restrict is subtle, so there is no official notification yet, but you can try out these methods. So open up Messenger and you can try sending up a message to anyone. So go ahead and open up a chat and try sending a message. And if it shows the message has been sent, it's delivered but never seen. If they are active but never open your chats, you might be restricted. That is one of the signs. Apart from that, if you try to view their profile in the section and you are not able to see the green dot or the online status section, that means that the person has restricted or they have turned off the activity status. Apart from that, when you go ahead and send up a message and if the replies are very delayed, they're active elsewhere, but your messages are ignored consistently, that is also one of the signs that the person has restricted you. Sometimes your messages may land in message request as well, so you can look out for your message requests. They won't appear on your main chat inbox, so you can try looking out for it. You can look out for the menu and tap on it and tap on message request and try seeing if it's available in the section as well or not. And you can also try messaging them. Unlike blocking, you can still send message. The profile will still be visible. You can just go and follow out this method. The restriction option is designed to be hidden, so none of the signs are alone guaranteed it. So you need a combination of more signs to be more certain. But for now, you can try out this method and let us know. So give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.